out to mid-power. Josh has got a rocket he calls his golden rocket, which is kind of for obvious reasons. This is on a G78 green. And he's once again demonstrating his octopus parachute. Big orange parachute with 8 legs. We have continuity. We're going to try to light that green motor in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I like green motors. They can be hard to light. I'm not sure we have a full deployment here. That's coming down fast. So heads up, heads up, heads up. Josh has got his golden rocket. He's got his octopus chute in it, which didn't really fully deploy last time, so we're going to try it again. This is, I guess it's tricky to fold. So he's experimenting with, Josh, in case you don't know, makes these chutes himself. He sells these chutes, and he's figuring out the best way to fold his octopus chute. So we are out on mid-power pads. I have continuity, and we're going to fly the golden rocket on a G78 green in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Me too. I like green motors.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. That's not good.
Oh.
Sounded cool.
Well, that's... Did someone pull that out while I'm videoing it?
When I see...
Oh, you want me?
You want to pull it out? Uh-oh. Hold on. Okay, we got problems. Your nose cone shattered. You may have nose cone pieces still.
I think the nose cone is staying there.
No, I have it. Oh, it just shattered.
You know,
Look at this.
at one of the nerfs. So